At Thumbs Up Rooter and Plumbing, our plumbers are always ready with a quick response. We will always give you an estimate before we start the job, and double-check and test run all of our work before we leave any job. Don't just take our word for it, here's what our satisfied customers have to say. Katrina O says, "Eddie was great. He arrived early and did a great job on clogged plumbing or drains. Great service, and I recommend Thumbs Up Rooter. Thank you." Michael Buehler says, "Very professional and reasonably priced plumbers. A+. We bring affordability, dedication, and fairness to our customers with the goal of 100% satisfaction and always a guarantee that the service we provide will add more value to the dollar you invest in your home or business. Give us a call if you need help with your plumbing."